tree is covered in burls over there. Interesting. Very small, all of them. This is my first time coming to this particular area. These are Lincoln Town Conservation Land. Now, right now I'm on the Blue Trail. Actually taken 2 trails already to get here. It's right across the train tracks, and there's a little sign for it. That's the only reason I knew anything was over here. Well, this goes in both directions. Maybe these might be horse trails. Or these little obstacles they have right here. Oh, they got more. This looks like a little horse trail park. Yeah, not only are the mosquitoes bad, but also these really large annoying flies too. It's the summer though. What do you expect? Nice to hear this beautiful bird over here. It's like motivating me to go further. I still want to get video of the main pond as well. This is just a little side area I found. This says Concord Land, but I'm pretty sure I'm in Lincoln. Unless I could have crossed back over maybe. Seen a bunch of chipmunks in here already. And a small brown squirrel. Plenty of bugs for you. I really like this place. Wow, there's actually a telephone pole back here. And the path just keeps going. Better turn back or I'm just gonna get too far in here and I'll just spend all my time getting back. I gotta save the video too. It's very nice. We got a lot of different things to see. Different scenery as you walk by. Well, I'd like to come back.